it can be lonely when you or someone you love is genetically 1 in a million. Endless nights searching for answers, alone in the dark, waiting for things to click. Because what if the answers you need aren't somewhere else? What if the answer is you? What if your diagnosis is part of something much larger? Searchlight can help connect you and your patient community to information. We are driven by science and united by hope. Searchlight is an international research program founded by the Simons Foundation. We study more than 170 rare genetic neurodevelopmental disorders, and we continually update and add to our list. We have a dedicated team of scientists, clinicians, geneticists, genetic counselors, communication and outreach specialists, digital product developers, research coordinators, and project managers who are all part of this study and work together to learn about your condition. They help learn about the issues and find answers to improve your care and your life. Researchers get access to the information you provide, such as survey data, blood samples, and cell lines. They also can access funding to make sure researchers are studying and looking at the complete picture of your condition. We work closely with an international community that includes patient organizations and scientists from around the world. Participants choose how much and when they want to provide information, online and at their convenience. But it's not a one-way street. We're creating a map where information flows from you and others to researchers and back to you again. And it's not just data you're connected to, it's also people. Through conferences, webinars, networking, and other community support. So even though your gene or genetic variant is rare, your unique insight is the key to unlock meaningful scientific advancements. Searchlight is here to help. We collect data from individuals with rare genetic disorders and their families. Participation in Searchlight is easy. Start by registering online in one of our available languages. Sign up online, provide your genetic lab report, schedule a medical history phone call, fill out surveys, provide an optional blood sample, learn about future research studies, and update your information every year. By tracking changes over time, you are helping to find answers for your whole community. Long-term participation is critically important to the success of research into your condition. Your participation may not lead to treatments immediately, but your involvement can lead to important insights so future families don't get left in the dark. Learn more at www.simonsearchlight.org.